for 5.7 using quadratic formula is the quadratic formula. So if we have our equation must be equal to 0, everything must be on the left-hand side, so it does need to be in standard form here. We have our quadratic equation, x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, all of that divided by 2a. Remember, we must be equal to 0.
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah?
No.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the a, b, and c and plug it into the quadratic formula and solve. So let's try example 1. I have my formula x squared plus 12x plus 32 equal to 0, which is what we want. Okay, so I'm going to take each of these terms and plug it into quadratic formula. So x equals negative b. What is b in this case? Positive 12, right? So b is positive 12. Plus or minus square root b again. So 12 squared minus 4 times a times c. What is a? A is 1. There's nothing in front of the x squared, so it's a times 1. And c is positive 32, so times 32. All over 2 times what? What's a? 1. Okay, so let's simplify this. X equals negative 12 4 times 1 times 32.
Oh, 32.
C is 32. Okay, now what? So example 2, well, we'll set it up together. How about that? Example 2, 7x minus 5x squared minus 4 equals 2x minus 3. Am I equal to 0 here? No, so what do I have to do? Subtract 2x and 3. So we're going to subtract 2x and subtract 3. 7x minus 2x gives me 5x minus 5x squared minus 7 equals 0. And we want to put this in standard form, so we want everything in the correct order. So we should have negative 5x squared plus 5x minus 7 equals 0. So we always want to make sure that x squared is first, x is second, and the constant is last. Use quadratic formula on this one. Okay, so I got it all the way, plugged everything in. I got it all the way to x equals negative 5 plus or minus square root of negative 15 all over negative 10. Now, negative 15 does not have any perfect squares in it, but it does have a negative 1, right? So we can take out the I. This goes all the way back to the beginning of the unit. If there's a negative, we take out an I. Okay? 115 does not have any perfect squares, so we can leave it as square 115. All of that over negative 10.